Hey everybody, we're out here in the woods and it is almost springtime. It's time to take out one piece of hiking gear that I used last year. I want to revisit it with you guys, which is my medium possibles bag. Now this was a modular system where I wanted to include as many of the top 10 essential hiking items, plus with a little bit of room with some of my luxury items that I use a lot when I'm out hiking. So I've revised the items here and I just wanted to show them to you. And the whole purpose of this is to bring this out with you when you go out hiking, maybe 2 hours or more, and whatever you're not able to fit into here, you can fit it into your day pack as your distance gets longer and longer to complete the 10 essential hiking items. So let's unpack this and show you what are the items. Now, after using this bag last season, a couple things I learned. One, I don't need to stuff this with as many items as possible. The whole purpose of this is reaching in here and grabbing what I need. But with that, I did do a couple little mods here. One, I attached my Becker Necker neck knife to the back here, and I added my D clips here. So this will clip on my belt loops or my belt or webbing on a pack. So this was way more versatile than what came with it here. And also I can also clip other stuff like my GPS here. Now, what are the 10 essential hiking items that I referred to? Well, it's a little different than the list that you might Google, which was, I think, based on the Mountaineers group. Not a bad list, but I felt that I didn't quite have all the items for my region. And I stumbled across this research project out of New Hampshire or Vermont for the White Mountains, and they had their essential hiking list. And I'll put the list in the link in the description, but quickly what it is, and I think this works way better in terms of essential, not emergency or not, you know, nice to haves. So we got knife, whistle, compass, map, fire starter, flashlight, first aid kit, and extra clothes, rain gear, and extra food and water. Those are your 10 essential hiking items. And really, for the most part, this possibles bag includes pretty much all of this. There's a few of the luxury items that I have here, but these are as many of the essential hike items I have here. So again, we have our flashlight over here, we have a whistle, we have a lighter, we have the backup lighter, which is the fire steel, we have another light, we have our multi-tool that handles our knife, saw, scissors, that kind of stuff. And in this Altoids tin, this is your Altoids first aid kit. Do a search on YouTube for this. There's lots of variations. I've went with the original version. So again, this just has the essentials for first aid. Now with that, I have a little bit of room for some luxury items. So for example, a little bit of cordage here. So this is about 14 feet of rope, 2mm utility rope. I have my knife sharpener here that I can use, and I got a buff, you know, or bandana. So this is a very useful item. And of course, the other item that I have is a Ride in Rain notepad. And here are all of our items all packed nicely away into our bag. And you can see there's still got a little bit of room. And of course, if you're going out hiking a little bit warmer, some stuff will come out like the buff, leaving you with a little bit of room so you can reach in and grab what you need. The whole purpose of this type of bag here is to reach in very often to get what you need so that you don't have to stop, take off your pack, or forget something when you're out for a longer hike. Again, we're just out here for about 2 hours. I needed a little day pack to bring my extra equipment, but if I were going out for maybe a little bit longer, I would bring in food, water will go in here, a rain kit will also go in here, and you would probably maybe bring in a map, but depending on your situation, you might use, for example, a smartphone or your GPS with maps on there too. So put down in the comments what you think in terms of essential hiking items, rather emergency items, or even bushcraft essential items, which is a very different list. Put down in the comments, and we'll see you guys next time. And I'm going to take some final pictures of my other snowshoe. It's very similar, the pattern, and it's very similar to the weave, so I'm just going to take a few pictures just to make sure that the finer detail that I can't see in the book I can